Head on over to Kaiber.ai and quickly make a free account. Now you will get 30 credits in this account, which you can use to generate anything you want. The reason I really wanted to do this video is I have been a fan of Linkin Park for the past 20 years, and when I saw their new style of music video for their remastered Meteora edition, I had to know how they made it, and using Kaiber AI is exactly what they did, and it's exactly what we're going to do right now. Once you've made your free Kaiber account, you will be greeted with this screen. You can see your credits on the top right, but let's go ahead and hop right in and click Generate Video. You have the option to upload an initial file, either an image or a video that you want to be depicted through a different style using Kaiber, but we want to use just a basic text prompt to show you the power of this. You can see that you have two parameters you need to fill out. We need to select a subject and then place it in the style of blank. Now for this, we're going to do something like poor man becoming wealthy or becoming rich, just to see what we can spit out, and then we will go forth and select our style. Now the stylization allows you to really keep continuity between your generations. Let's say you're trying to generate a 4.5-minute music video. Using the same style will allow it to flow much better. Now once you select that, you're going to have these settings. You can generate 10 seconds at a time on a free trial. We want to use the aspect ratio 16:9 because that's what you saw at the beginning, and that is exactly what the music videos are going to use, or really anything on the YouTube format. Now the YouTube Shorts, of course, is the 9:16 aspect ratio, but the full screen size that you're seeing now is 16:9. So let's go ahead and let this generate, and we'll be right back when it's done. And just like that, here we go, we have poor man becoming wealthy in the style of 3D, Octane render, 8K, ray tracing, blender, and hyper detailed. Now if you're not familiar, ray tracing, blender, all of these different words, they can easily be defined. And if you're unfamiliar with blender, that's actually an extremely interesting topic, as it is a model to create, well, it is a software rather, to create 3D models, either for games or videos. That video is going to be coming later this week, and it's not using Kaiber. It's actually using something you can go into Blender and have a text to 3D render prompt readily available. Much like with Midjourney generations, once we actually have our generated video, we need to upscale it. Now you can download it directly in that size, but upscaling it is going to allow you to download it in either 1080p or 4K, unlike the unupscaled, which will be somewhere around 720p, which just isn't going to look great. Now of the credits you get for free, you should note that it takes one single credit to actually upscale, and if you have less than 5 credits, you won't be able to upscale, meaning on a free trial, you can generate right around 24 or 23 seconds of video completely free, and then simply go make another account, add the same subject and style, and render even more video. Now that the render and upscale is complete, all we have left to do now is download it, and once we download it, we can then start on the next part of our video. It is extremely easy to use text to image or text to video generation with Kaiber. We also have the access to My Videos on the top to review any prompts or videos we created previously and upscale or download them.